Hello everyone. Today I am going to discuss about the overview of pharmacovigilance. Firstly, pharmacovigilance, according to the my point of view, the pharmacovigilance is monitor the safety and effectiveness of the drug after approval of the drug in the market. And according to the WHO, pharmacovigilance is the science and activities related to the detection, assessment, understanding, and prevention of adverse effect or any other medicine related problems. And before the medicine is authorized for use, evidence of its safety and efficacy is limited to the results from the clinical trial, where the patients are selected carefully and followed very up closely and under control conditions. This means that at any time of the medicine authorization, it has been tested in a relatively small number of group of selected patient for a limited length of time. After the authorization, the medicine may used in a large number of patients for a long period of time and with other medicines. And certain side effects may emerge in such circumstances. Uh, it is the essential that the safety of all medicines is monitored through their use in healthcare practice. In Europe, EU law therefore they require each marketing authorization holder, national competent authority, and the European Medicines Agency to operate a pharmacovigilance system. The overall EU pharmacovigilance system operates through cooperation between the EU member states, European Medicines Agency, and the European Commission. In some member states, regional centers are in place under the coordination of the national competent authority. Pharmacovigilance in the product life cycle. Uh, Research and development, UDRA vigilance, good pharmacovigilance practice, incident management plan, medical literature monitoring, medication error, medicines under the additional monitoring, periodic safety update report, pharmacovigilance time, and with other medicines. Certain side effects may emerge in the such circumstances. Therefore, it is the essential that the safety of the all medicines is monitored through their use in healthcare practice. Europe law therefore require each marketing authorization holder and national competent authority and the European Medicines Agency to operate the pharmacovigilance system. The overall EU pharmacovigilance system operates through cooperation between the EU member states, EMA, and the European Commission. In some member states, regional centers are in place under the coordination of the national competent authority. And pharmacovigilance in the product life cycle is research and development, UDRA vigilance, good pharmacovigilance practice, incident management plan, medical literature monitoring, medication error, medicines under additional monitoring, periodic safety update reports, pharmacovigilance system, post authorization safety studies, regulatory and procedural guidance, signal management, and after that, marketing authorization, risk management, European risk management strategy, and third is post authorization. And European Medicines Agency pharmacovigilance system coordinate between the pharmacovigilance in the Europe and operates the service and processes in line with European legislation. The EMA is European Medicines Agency Pharmacovigilance System manual describes how EMA performs, monitors, and reports on its pharmacovigilance duties for human medicines. Pharmacovigilance Risk Assessment Committee EMA Pharmacovigilance Risk Assessment Committee is responsible for assessing and monitoring the safety of human medicine. It is made up of experts in medicines. It is made up of sorry safety from regulatory authorities in member states plus scientific experts and representatives of the patient and healthcare professional nominated by the European Commission. And European Medicines Agency support the Pharmacovigilance Risk Assessment Committee by providing data from the clinical practice available in electronic health records or prescription databases. Uh, After that, monitoring the suspected adverse reaction. The agency is responsible for developing and maintaining the vigilance, a system for managing and analyzing information on suspected adverse reaction to a medicine authorized in a European economic area. Vigilance is a single repository for reports of suspected adverse reactions seen in the healthcare practice and clinical trial. The Pharmacovigilance Risk Assessment Committee evaluates the safety signal from vigilance and may recommend the regulatory action as a result. For more information, see signal management. EMA published the data from vigilance in the European database of suspected adverse drug reaction. Thank you. That's all about overview of pharmacovigilance.